so you come in and you're going to do your business, right? And you have a seat. And you kind of lean this way, and all of a sudden this pops up. So what's going on there? It's kind of annoying. I'm going to show you how to fix this sucker. All right, and here's just another view of it. You put the pressure on this side, and it pops up. So we got to fix that baby right there. You got to get this cap off of here, all right? So you're going to need a little screwdriver. You got to get under there and just pop it. It should just pop off. There we go. Now we got that baby off of there. We got to find it though. There it is. All right. Don't lose it, but you're going to need that. Right now, you got to get in there with the screwdriver. And what you're going to basically do is tighten this baby down. There we go. Now, underneath here, you're going to see there's a bolt there. So what's happening is I'm tightening it up top, and that's getting tighter and tighter and holding this thing down. And that's what you want. Okay, so anyway, when you put this thing down on there, it's going to lock it in and tighten it and keep it from popping off. So you got to get it right. It's going to go this way, straight down. You just got to get those wedges in there in the right spot. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. The key thing to remember is you've got to turn this. All right? The key thing to remember, you got to make this to lock it in. If you don't turn that, it's not going to be locked. So it's got to be facing exactly like that at the end. If you leave it like this, it's going to pop off. That locks it in. That locks it in. So don't screw that up. Putting pressure on her now, no problem. Then I'm going to go ahead and sit down. I'm going to make my lean, no problem. All right, we're doing our lean to one side, doesn't pop up. Bam, we just fixed our toilet. And that's how easy it is. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to fix toilets and stuff like that. Peace out.